Hi guys, breast massagers are devices designed to massage and stimulate breast tissue. They come in different shapes and sizes and can be manual or electrically powered. Some breast massagers use heat or vibration to enhance the massage experience. Breast massagers claim to offer a range of benefits, including improving blood circulation, relieving breast pain, reducing breast sagging, and promoting breast enlargement. However, there is limited scientific evidence to support these claims. If you are considering using a breast massager, it is essential to choose a high-quality product and follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Additionally, it is recommended that you consult with your healthcare provider before using a breast massager, particularly if you have a history of breast cancer or any other medical condition affecting the breasts. So, let's get started. Number 10, Portable SP2-Star Breast Enlargement Weight Loss Massager. This enlargement machine is here with the 10% price off. Now you can get it at around $988. Breast enlargement weight loss massager machines that use vacuum roller suction are marketed as devices that can increase breast size and promote weight loss. However, there is little scientific evidence to support these claims. Vacuum roller suction machines use a combination of suction and massage to create a rolling action on the skin. This is supposed to stimulate circulation and lymphatic drainage, which can help to reduce the appearance of cellulite and improve the texture of the skin. Similarly, while vacuum roller suction machines may help to reduce the appearance of cellulite, there is no evidence that they can promote significant weight loss. The next is Number 9, Vacuum Massage Face Lifting Beauty Machine Massager. This enlargement machine is here with the 54% price off. Now you can get it at around $117. Breast Vacuum Massager Smart Touch Screen Multiple Size Suction Pump Massage Cup Massage Slimming suitable for home and salon spas, intelligent buttons, simple and convenient. The Massager is a new evolution, adding high technology to the traditional massager, using intelligent chip and LCD screen, easy to operate, one button adjustment. The fan is added to the back, which can better carry out vacuum massage. Various sizes of vacuum cups. You can choose a suitable vacuum cup according to your breast size, or you can use these vacuum cups according to different body parts. You can also perform a single cup massage according to the instructions. Body massage, skin tightening. This product can also be used in back, waist, legs and other body parts to promote blood circulation, refine pores, lift skin, and help you shape a more healthy body. The next is Number 8, 35 Cups Vacuum Therapy Massage Slimming Bust Enlarger. This enlargement machine is here with the 33% price off. Now you can get it at around $255. The warm stimuli produced will expand the local blood vessels, promote local blood circulation, improve metabolism and tissue nutrition, increase the permeability of blood vessels and cells, strengthen the phagocytic capacity of the reticuloendothelial system, and contribute to nutrition. Features of this machine: 4. Use for different part of body to expedite fatty acid transformation. Safely and effectively remove excessive fat, reduce weight, slim up body, eliminate excessive fat on belly, improve leg shape, firm up skin. 5. It can apply for scrub, point percussion therapy, lymphatic detoxification, treat cellulites, improve buttocks to realize perfect body contour. The next is Number 7, Buttocks Lifter Cup Vacuum Breast Enlargement. This enlargement machine is here with the 33% price off. Now you can get it at around $255. There is a high-frequency magnetic vibration device inside the cup, which is a new type of beauty care equipment that combines magnetic point massage and electric massage. The dual effect of magnetic field and vibration massage produced by magnetic vibration massage device acts on the body's affected parts, meridians or acupuncture points, promotes blood circulation, accelerates metabolism, enhances vitality of body cells, and produces various expected effects. 4. Use for different part of body to expedite fatty acid transformation. Safely and effectively remove excessive fat, reduce weight, slim up body, eliminate excessive fat on belly, improve leg shape, firm up skin. 5. It can apply for scrub, point percussion therapy, lymphatic detoxification, treat cellulites, improve buttocks to realize perfect body contour. The next is Number 6, New Vacuum Therapy Machine for Buttocks Breast. This enlargement machine is here with the 33% price off. Now you can get it at around $155. Features of this machine: 1. High-quality material is environmental, safe, non-toxic and harmless to your skin. 2. The Breast Enlargement Machine is also a lymph detox therapy body massage machine, which could expulse toxin and purify lymphatic system, refine skin pore, rebuild skin and improve microcirculation. 3. Suitable for enhancing blood circulation and promoting the detoxification of digestive system. 4. Use for different part of body to expedite fatty acid transformation. Safely and effectively remove excessive fat, reduce weight, slim up body, eliminate excessive fat on belly, improve leg shape, firm up skin. 5. It can apply for scrub, point percussion therapy, lymphatic detoxification, treat cellulites, improve buttocks to realize perfect body contour. 6. Effectively to promote uterine contraction and improve sexual apathy. 7. Breast Enlargement Machine used for skin lifting, tightening, beauty shaping and vacuum massage spa. The next is number 5. Buttocks Lifter Cup Vacuum Breast Enlargement Machine. This enlargement machine is here with the 33% price off. Now you can get it at around $150. 1. Negative pressure. The negative pressure inside the cup can make the local capillaries hyperemia, stimulate organs, enhance cell viability, promote functional activities, and improve the body's resistance. Mechanical stimulation of negative pressure can be transmitted to the central nervous system through the reflex pathway. 3. Blood circulation. The blood circulation device can penetrate deep into the subcutaneous tissue 7 mm, combined with deep massage to make blood gas flow, clear the breast acini, make invisible gas to drive visible blood, transport oxygen and nutrients to the breast, and stimulate the brain pituitary secretion of female hormones, strengthen the connective tissue of the breast, stimulate the growth and development of the breast. Promote uterine contraction, tighten skin elastic fibers, prevent skin tissue loose and scattered. The next is number 4. Z-Catkin Vacuum Massage Face Lifting Beauty Machine. This enlargement machine is here with the 46% price off. Now you can get it at around $78. The specially designed vacuum pump can quickly improve the size and shape or breast without any pain and health threats. It does not involve silicone injection or push and fill bras. It will make you have a natural and beautiful breast during the physiological period. Stimulate the pituitary to produce hormones, enhance muscle tissue elasticity and fiber, restore breast elasticity and softness, enhance and develop breasts, improve breast shape, improve nipple absorption, and stabilize treatment. Accelerate fatty acid conversion, safely and effectively remove excess fat, reduce weight, slim down, eliminate belly fat, improve leg shape, firm skin, can be used for scrub, point impact treatment, lymphatic drainage, treatment of cellulite. Improve the buttocks and achieve a perfect body contour. The next is number 3. Vacuum Cupping Therapy Machine Breast Massager. This enlargement machine is here with the 41% price off. Now you can get it at around $194. The physical vacuum to the chest muscles, promote blood circulation, directly to breast sponge to expand and generate new cells, so that small breasts flat upright fullness within a short time. Solve breast sizes, nipple retraction, relaxation, etc. sag. Breast devices commonly used, can promote the breast blood circulation, hernia, and breast milk have a preventive role in other diseases. Strengthen women curves aesthetic, add a feminine charm. It is the need of modern women's fashion health fitness. It's important to remember that every woman's body is unique and that there is no one-size-fits-all solution to achieving an ideal body shape or size. Maintaining a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and practicing good self-care habits can help promote overall health and well-being, but it's important to approach any health or fitness regimen with caution and consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your lifestyle. The next is number 2, 2023 New Portable 80K Cavitation Vacuum Breast Massager. This enlargement machine is here with the 10% price off. Now you can get it at around $576. Functions of this product: 1. Breast enhancement, augmentation, firming up, lifting. 2. Breast shape correcting, nipple sag improvement. 3. Skin tightening, lifting, firming up. 4. Face body contouring and reshaping, slimming. 5. Improving elasticity and tone of skin. 6. Improving orange peel-like tissue on the legs, arms, thighs. 7. Blood and lymph circulation improvement. 8. Healthcare massage, cupping, scraping therapy. The next is Number 1. Vacuum Cupping Therapy Machine Breast Massager. This enlargement machine is here with the 41% price off. Now you can get it at around $194. The physical vacuum to the chest muscles promote blood circulation directly to breast sponge to expand and generate new cells, so that small breasts flat upright fullness within a short time. Solve breast sizes, nipple retraction, relaxation, etc. sag. Breast devices commonly used can promote the breast blood circulation. Hernia and breast milk have a preventive role in other diseases. Strengthen women curves aesthetic, add a feminine charm. It is the need of modern women's fashion health fitness. 1 to 3 months for one treatment, one time for one day, 20 to 30 minutes for one time, 15 minutes for the first time, then add the time according to the customer's standing ability. 2. Care the breast the first stage, once every 2 days, 20 minutes for one time, 8 days. The second stage, once every 4 days, 20 to 25 minutes for one time, 8 to 10 days. Once for every week after the first and second stages, can keep the result for long time and prevent some disease, so this is the best option for you to buy.